Scientists genuinely believe there's a planet in our own solar system that nobody has ever seen. Not a distant galaxy, not some faraway star system, our solar system, the one we live in. It's been nicknamed Planet 9, and the theory is that it's sitting so far out on the edge of everything that even our best telescopes have struggled to pick it up. What's interesting is that the reason scientists think it exists isn't because someone spotted it. It's because of how other objects nearby are behaving, clustering together in orbits that just don't add up unless something massive is pulling on them. And when researchers ran simulations, one with Planet 9 and one without, the version that included it matched what we actually see in space almost perfectly. And here's why that kind of reasoning is worth taking seriously. We've done this exact thing before. Back in the 1800s, astronomers noticed Uranus was speeding up and slowing down at odd points in its orbit, like something was tugging on it from a distance. So they used math to figure out where a mystery planet would need to be to cause that, pointed a telescope at that exact spot, and found Neptune within hours. Same logic, different era. So the idea of finding something before you can actually see it isn't a guess, it's one of the more reliable tools in astronomy. Now, to be fair, Planet 9 hasn't been confirmed, and there are other explanations floating around. Some researchers think the unusual orbits could be explained by gravity behaving slightly differently at extreme distances than our current understanding suggests. There's even a fringe theory about a tiny ancient black hole drifting through the solar system, which sounds insane, but also hasn't been ruled out. The honest answer is we just don't know yet, and that uncertainty is part of what makes this story worth following. What does give people hope though is a telescope called the Vera Rubin Observatory, which started operating in 2025. It photographs the entire visible night sky once every 3 days and plans to keep doing that for the next decade. So essentially it's building a time-lapse of space, and anything unusual will eventually reveal itself just by moving. If Planet 9 is out there, this is probably how we find it, and honestly, whatever gets discovered along the way might be just as surprising. If you want to stay in the loop on stuff like this, go ahead and subscribe, there's a lot more worth knowing about.